Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful vintage inspired interior decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage inspired interior decoration is a decorative style that recreates the charm, elegance and warmth of past decades. Typically from the 1920s to the 1970s, while still feeling livable and fresh today. It is not about turning your home into a museum. Instead, it blends old world beauty with modern comfort. Key features of vintage-inspired decor. Antique look furniture uses wooden cabinets with curved details, brushed or bronze handles. The strays are painted finishes, curved legs, and ornate mirrors. Uses soft and nostalgic color palettes like cream, ivory, and dusty rose, shell cream, and muted blue, warm browns, and soft pastels. Uses floral and classic patterns. Uses floral wallpaper, lace curtains, embroidered cushions, and crochet accents. Decorative accessories use vintage clocks, ceramic teapots, old-style photo frames, candlesticks, oven baskets. Vintage vs antique. What is the difference? Antique equal real or old pieces, usually 100 plus years old. Vintage inspired equal new items designed to look old. Vintage inspired decor is more practical because you can mix old charm with modern durability. Why people love vintage style? It feels cozy and warm. It tells a story. It brings emotional nostalgia. It works beautifully with cottage, farmhouse, and country decor. Since you love cottage and farmhouse decor, vintage-inspired style will blend perfectly with your aesthetic, especially in kitchens and cozy corners. Vintage-inspired decor recreates the atmosphere of past decades, usually 1920s to 1970s, but adapts it from comfortable modern living. It is about storytelling, nostalgia, and character, not perfection. The eras that influence vintage style each decade bring a slightly different mood. 1930s to 1940s uses dark old furniture, floral wallpaper, lace curtains, and brass details. 1950s uses soft pastel kitchens, checkered floors, and curved furniture. 1960s use bold patterns, geometric prints, mid-century shapes. 1970s uses earthy tones like mustard, brown, or olive for layered textures. You don't have to stick to one era, mixing elements creates a collected over time look. Core design principles, character over perfection, small imperfections, slightly old, aged metal, and charm. Layering textures use lace plus oud, crochet plus ceramic, linen plus brass. This layering creates warmth and depth, perfect for your cottage style preferences. Meaningful features. Vintage style often includes heirloom style decor, old style clothes, handcrafted items, displayed teacups or crockery. It feels personal rather than showroom perfect. Color and material palette. Colors: soft cream, ivory, dusty rose, vivid blue, shell cream, warm brown tones. Materials: solid oat iron, brass, porcelain, linen, and cotton. These materials naturally fit farmhouse and country decor. How Vintage-inspired differs from similar styles. Vintage-inspired main focus: nostalgia from specific decades. For rustic, main focus: raw, natural, unfinished oud. Farmhouse, main focus: cozy rural simplicity. Cottage, soft floral and romantic charm for main focus. Vintage can blend beautifully with farmhouse and cottage, creating what many call vintage farmhouse. Vintage style in different rooms. First, kitchen uses open shelves with floral plates. Uses richer style jars, wooden bread boxes, soft pastel accessories. Next, bedroom uses floral beige linens, iron bed frames, crochet cushion covers, vintage style bedside lamp. Next, living room uses pattern turn chairs, antique look coffee table, layered rugs, decorative mirrors. Why it feels so cozy? Vintage-inspired spaces feel warm and welcoming. Avoid minimal emptiness. Celebrate craftsmanship. Bring emotional comfort. Since you love decorating cozy kitchens and cottage-style spaces, this style would suit your aesthetic beautifully, especially if you mix crochet details and farmhouse touches. Vintage-inspired interior decoration is about recreating the charm of the past while keeping modern comfort. It doesn't mean filling your home with very old items. It means designing a space that feels nostalgia, warm, and collected over time. The philosophy behind vintage style. Vintage decor is based on three main ideas. First, storytelling. Every piece looks like it has history, even if it is new. Comfort over trend. It feels lived in and welcoming, not trendy or minimal. Collected, not matched. Furniture doesn't have to match perfectly. Mixing features creates personality. Color physiology in vintage decor. Vintage colors are usually soft cream and ivory. Uses muted chase green or dusty rose or faded blue, warm browns or mustard or olive. For 1917 touch. These colors feel calm, cozy, and emotionally comforting, perfect for creating a peaceful home. Furniture characteristics. Vintage-inspired furniture often includes curved legs, capriole style, curved wood details, brass knobs and handles, glass front cabinets, lustrous or painted finishes. Wood is very important in this style, especially warm-toned wood. Fabrics and texture. Texture is what makes vintage decor feel rich and layered. Uses lace curtains, crochet cushion covers, floral cotton fabrics, linen tablecloths, embroidered details, and oven baskets. Why vintage-inspired style is so popular? It feels emotional and nostalgic. It makes the house feel like a home. It celebrates the handmade and traditional design. It pairs beautifully with farmhouse, cottage, and country decor. The collected over time look. Vintage-inspired spaces don't look newly decorated in ante. Instead, they feel slowly gathered, personally meaningful, slightly imperfect, warm, and lived in. This is how designers call a layered interior. You mix old-style furniture, soft textiles, and decorative pieces in a balanced way. The importance of patina and tacking. A big part of vintage charm is patina, the soft old look that develops over time. Examples: slightly faded wood, edged brass, distressed painted furniture. Vintage style mirrors with soft edge, even if the item is new. It is designed to look gently edged. Lighting in vintage decor. Lighting is very important because it sets the mood. Instead of bright white lights, vintage spaces use warm yellow bulbs, fabric lampshades, brass or ceramic lamps, and wall sconces. Soft lighting creates that cozy, nostalgic atmosphere. Wall styling. Walls are rarely empty in vintage homes. You might see floral wallpaper, framed botanical prints, antique style clocks, decorative plates, small gallery walls. But balance is key. Don't overcrowd. Substyles of vintage inspired decor. Vintage decor is not just on look, it has variations. Cottage windows uses soft florals, lace, pastel colors. Farmhouse windows use oud tones, metal accents, and neutral colors. Retro windows, bold patterns, 50s to 70s colors. Romantic windows, soft pinks, candelabras, ornate mirrors. Emotional feeling of vintage spaces. Vintage inspired homes feel comforting, gentle, nostalgic, calm, and personal. Unlike modern minimalism design, vintage celebrates decoration and details. How to start creating it? Simple steps. If you want to slowly add vintage charm, start with textiles like curtains, cushions, and tablecloths. Add on a statement piece like a cabinet or mirror. Introduce brass or ceramic accessories. Next, use soft muted colors. Keep it organized, cozy, not cluttered. The design philosophy behind vintage style. Vintage inspired decoration is built on three deeper principles. First, authenticity. Even when items are new, they feel authentic, like natural materials, handcrafted details, and traditional shapes. Warmth over minimalism. Unlike ultra-modern spaces that feel clean and empty, vintage embraces layers and softness. Memory and emotion. Vintage spaces often remind people of grandparents' homes, childhood memories, simpler times. That emotional connection is what makes the style powerful. Materials that define vintage interiors. True vintage inspired decor focuses heavily on natural materials like solid wood, brass and bronze, ceramic and porcelain, linen and cotton, glass or wicker and rattan. Plastic or glossy synthetic finishes are rarely used. The layering formula. The designers built the look. Professional designers often follow this layering structure. First, base layer uses neutral wall color or wallpaper. Furniture layer, wooden or antique style furniture. Textile layer, paints, cushions or rugs. Next, fourth layer, decor layer, uses frames, lamps and ceramics. Next, personal layer, like heirlooms and handmade items. This prevents clutter while keeping the cozy feeling. Vintage To understand it better, here is how it compares. Vintage equal inspired by specific postulates. Rustic equal more raw and natural. Farmhouse equal country simplicity. Shabbatic equal soft, distressed, dramatic, popularized by Rachel Ashwell. Vintage can blend with all of this. Mood and atmosphere creation. A true vintage in a bedroom usually has soft, warm lighting, gentle shadows, pictured fabrics, decorative details, slight visual richness. It should feel welcoming the moment you enter. Since you love farmhouse and cottage styles, this aesthetic blends beautifully with your taste. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.